Hi everyone, my name is Christopher Barrett. My wonderful friend Tara wanted me to do another video for the Wellbeing Channel and for Mental Awareness Week. So she asked me to do a video about nature. And as you can see, I am outside in nature, which is good. I do love being out in nature. I do love the trees. I do love the mushroom. Because when we do not do walking, either at the river or at Padroon Nature Reserve, actually we are at Padroon Nature Reserve. So let me show you a bit of the place. So you've got bases well behind me. You've got a trail leading that way and a trail going downhill to the cafe and to the entrance. So why do I love getting out in nature? I do love I do love the trees, and talking about trees, we got a tree here, very nice tree, nice leaves as well, nice branches. I can't see any mushrooms, but to be honest, guys, it's nice to like get out in nature, seeing different things. I do spend time with people in nature, because when we do not do walking, we go to different places such as Potting Woods, which is here, the river, the park, the woods. So it's nice, and I really recommend you guys get out in nature, seeing different things, see if you can see any birds flying about, and I think you can hear them, sort of. I can hear a bit. Probably you can hear it, but you know what? It's nice. I will tell you some of the way, because walking is good for you. Walking in nature is good. So what can we see? Well, at the moment I can see trees. And you can see that it's broken. So, and I think we've got a gable, a wire fence as well. My arm is aching. Oh, good, almost hit off. So what else? Oh, this is a bit interesting. Let me. Oh, I don't. There you go. Nice trail. It's great. Okay, so go a little bit further. Actually, this is my very first time. No, it's not my very first time. This is my first time since last year. Well, yeah. The last time I came here was in December. Because we had a lockdown from January. We are currently going through the lockdown easing. So for me, is I'm waiting to get out more again, seeing friends again. Oh, I thought I lost you for a minute. Oh God, my arm is aching. Oh God. So here is a question for you guys. Do you love getting out in nature? Let us know in the comments below. I need to give my right arm a rest in a minute. Now there is a breeze coming up. I can't speak properly. Are you guys enjoying me? Well, enjoying watching me walking? So we've got a breeze here. We sometimes stop, close our eyes, and then breathe in slowly, breathe out slowly. Hopefully you can see a little river. So yeah, nature is awesome, and if you live near the woods, a park, or anywhere that has got like trees, flowers, just go there, because getting out in nature is good. You know, to get fresh air, and it's always great that when it's sunny as well. Because sometimes when I go on walks, it does get raining. Yeah, I do. My favorite weather is sunny. So yeah, I guess that's about it. So a big thanks to Tara for letting me do another video for the Roots to Wellbeing for the on the Roots to Wellbeing channel. You can take me out on Twitter and Instagram at PositiveWorld23. I've got a YouTube channel called Positive World, and that has, well, I've got over 5,000 subscribers on my YouTube channel, so please feel free to take those out if you want. So that's about it. So enjoy your day, evening, afternoon, and take care. Was lovely talking to you guys, and see you guys around. Bye.